Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this amazing video, you will learn how to embed a contact form in WordPress using a Gravity Forms plugin. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Gravity Form plugin. Now you can see here, I have already created a form as per my requirements. You can check my previous videos where I have explained you how to create forms in WordPress using Gravity Forms plugin. Now to embed any contact form while using Gravity Forms, all you need to do is go to the form builder area and click on embed on the top. Here you can find various options to embed this contact form. You can also select an existing page and embed the form in it. In my case, I want to embed this contact form to a new page. So I will simply go to create new, and here keeping the page option selected, let me give my new page a title over here. This is the page title. And once done, simply click on create. You can also copy the shortcode and paste it in the page or post as per your requirement. Now you can see that we have been redirected to the new page that we created and we have successfully embedded the form. Now let's publish this page. That's it. This is how you can easily embed your contact form to a new or existing pages or post in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.